but for this one, I mean, similar to that first one, except we don't have to write a summary or anything. We just have to pick one of our sketches and then develop it into a final design. I don't really know how we're gonna develop it into a final design unless whoever's it is just wants to like redraw it real quick.
I mean, you might be able to do a 3D model, like a CAD design.
That'd be that'd be nice. Um, but I guess I will share my screen and then show you guys what I drew. You guys will see the sketch. Yeah. So I drew a nice little outdoor seating area because I wanted it to kind of be in touch with nature, get some environmental impact in there. I had the chairs and tables match the surrounding colors just so it kind of blends in, doesn't look like unnatural out there. Got a nice little natural curvature to the chairs, a pillowed headrest, and then made it in between some trees to provide some shade in the early mornings and late evenings. And then it's going to be made out of some sustainable material. So that's my sketch. That'll be it.
Cool. Uh, all right. I guess I'll do mine then. You have it disabled for participants again for us to share. All right, there we go. So this was mine. I mostly just did a chair, kind of focus.
It's not working again. It's just
Doing the same thing as last week where it's not showing it, it's just showing the black screen.
Yeah,
There we go. There we go.
yeah. Zoom crash. I don't know. I don't know. Every time I share my screen, I swear, Zoom crashes. What if I just show this?
Kicked out the meeting or something.
Does that work?
It hasn't gone yet, but like that first one, it showed up after a little bit, but then your screen went, oh, it's good now.
All right. So I have the crash report up. I'm just going to leave it up.
You froze though, but we can see your screen.
Ten out of 10. All right. So you guys got like to see the image of it for a little bit.
We did see it, yeah. We did.
All right. So I just made a chair. I didn't make like a full seating area. I spent a little bit more time on the chair. Um, I mostly just made like a bog standard office chair. Like a mesh back for breathability, and it's and a lower back support so you can sit in it for longer than normal, or longer than like 2 3 hours. That's why it looks like it's arched. Um, Roller wheels, like the multi-wheeled, the multi-arm support for the wheels on like on a rotating axis or on like a rotating thing. You can adjust the backs of the seat. I had handles for it. And they had a mesh seat that was a little bit arched, so you can sit in it comfortably, as well as and your legs would sit on it comfortably as well, rather than just having a sharp vertical drop. It would be arched into it. And it had 4D arms, which just means the arms can move in different directions.
That's a cool little feature. Solid though.
Okay, I will go. Yeah, this is kind of rough. The idea, I think, is there. Execution, not so much. Believe it or not, this was my third draft. I did have two other versions that I redrew this. The idea is I on the page where they showed the examples. Um, I really liked the one on the far left and the far right, which was the first one was essentially just like outside, made out of basically whatever is around, and then the far right one was like indoor study chair that was like a nice private space. So I tried to combine the two in my head at least. And yeah, I added that little desk for working, and then the back for privacy and blocking sunlight. But that is my concept.
Solid. Idea is definitely there. And Emerson, if you want to share yours real quick, and then we can just pick one and try to make it a little bit more final.
All right, sounds good. I will share my screen. Just give me a second. Yeah, again, my the execution not all the way there, but the idea is there. So hold on, let's see if this works because I have not shared my screen. Um, okay. So can you guys see? No, you guys can't, huh? No.
But yeah,
Hold on, sorry. Damn. Hold on, sorry. It's saying I have to grant access because probably because I have a Mac. Honestly, it's always messed up. So
saying you have to grant access.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm on a Mac as well. It's a little bit finicky. You just gotta go and follow the prompts.
okay. Hold on, just give me 1 second.
Yeah, you're good.
Sorry about this, guys. Probably should have had it set up before, but
Honestly, it's going into the time limit, so you're fine.
um,
So while we're waiting, what do you think we should do for Like, how do you think we should design the final design?
Do you have like a program to make that little 3D model you were talking about?
Um, is it AutoCAD? Not AutoCAD. I remember there being a web-based 3D design. What was it? Tinkercad. It's free.
If you want to pull that up and like get it ready to make the design on there, I'm down for that. I tried to pull it up on mine and it says smaller screens are not fully supported, but I'm on a monitor. Doesn't make sense.
This honestly seems kind of overkill.
True. I mean, you can just start something together. Oh no, this is what you get from an engineering major. You need a CAD software.
I'm engineering as well. But yeah,
What engineering?
aerospace.
Oh,
What are you?
comp sci and comp mat.
My system preferences, so when I go to like allow screen recording for Google Chrome, it doesn't even like, it won't even let me click on Google Chrome. I can't
Oh,
like,
Are you in Chrome?
what's up?
Are you in the Zoom meeting from Chrome?
Yeah,
Oh,
most of my stuff is from Chrome because I don't like, because Safari, I don't usually use Safari.
You want to
well,
try
I'm
and like email or send your thing into that spaces thing and one of us can pull it up?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
or you could just drop it in the chat, the Zoom chat as well.
Okay.
yeah. You're on Polytech with aerospace, or is that on Tempe?
Tempe.
You'd think it would be on Polytech with MA Riddle being right there.
You guys want to use that program or just like draw something?
I mean, it doesn't matter. We can just go ahead and do like a collaborative drawing of it.
Does it say anything, or is this on the
Literally,
schedule document?
all it says is after everyone has explained their design, your group will pick one sketch that you would like to move forward with. Then as a group, you will develop the sketch into a final design, discuss what you all think an ideal seating area should look like, and then make adjustments or improvements to the select set sketch to create a final design model. That's it.
Okay, so it sounds like the final design is after the video.
I think it's part of the video because the video is minimum 30 minutes. But we also have to make another video after that, which is like a whole comprehensive final video that we have to put assignments, sessions, and stuff. Like we have to like actually clip stuff together of how we learned and made our final design.
Hmm. It sounds like we just need to start it for this video and then we finish it
Yeah.
and talk about the finished product for the last.
But I mean, whichever one we do go with, I'm down to. If you guys, I mean, if you're comfortable with that program, I'm down to just like, if you share your screen, just go through it real quick. Are you able to send that, Emerson, or?
Yeah, I'm going. It's my what's it called? Microsoft Word's all messed up, and it like doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't let me like send emails and stuff. It's kind of stupid.
Are you on Tinker right now, Adam?
Yeah. Am I lagging?
No, are you on the same thing as me?
Yeah, that second link I sent you was.
Oh, I was gonna say, what is going on?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I'm sending it through the spaces,
All right.
so it should be there now.
Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen and pull it up real quick, and then you can talk about it.
Cool. Yeah, sorry it's not flipped the right way, but and again, my uh, artistic ability is not very good, so it doesn't really show what I'm trying to like. I guess portray. I guess. So, like the seat itself is made out of basically just like natural wood, and it's all like smooth and like basically just like kind of just like made so that it's you can comfortably like kind of like lounge back or like sit back a little bit. And it's supposed to be like in nature, and basically just like so you're supposed to be like surrounded by just nothing but like basically just like natural surroundings like trees and anything like rock formations, whatever, water, animals, doesn't really matter what, but um more so you can just like, I don't know, just like get stuff off your mind. It's not like, I don't know, it's kind of similar to Jacob's in a sense where it's kind of just like tucked away, like you get shade from the sun with the trees during the day and stuff like that. So yeah.
Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And then you guys can. Are you making like a tree, nature you want, Adam?
Nah, I'm just gonna try and. Yeah, I'm trying to make it like a nature one, but I'm trying to orient it. So do we want to? All right. So how do we want to form the basin of the chair? Do we want to have it be like a normal chair? Do we want to have it be like an egg shape?
I'm kind of
Well,
down.
who are we basing it off of?
I don't know. I just started making one.
Um, I'm kind of down for like that egg shape type of one, but yeah, I guess I don't know if we need to pick one sketch or just kind of combine them all.
I was gonna say because we might be able to combine them because I like the chair idea of Cadence, but I don't know. Like I think I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So shoot. I think I know what type of chair I'm thinking of, but I can't. Uh, I'll try and find a picture.
I'm sure it won't matter much, but I don't know. You guys want to pick one sketch? Like I like the idea of it being outside in the environment and everything,
Mm-hmm.
but I like the natural curvature and kind of like the dome shaped chair looking thing. I like the little personal desk part that Kevin had. I like the 40 handles that you had, Adam. Pretty crazy. We could add some trees in there.
Oh yeah, I forgot they had pre-made trees.
I can do that since I'm gonna let you do your thing with that chair.
Yeah, remember there being a sphere that you could play with and indent it. I keep highlighting the ground. What are the dimensions for this? 16 and 10. Um, I feel like I'm just making a cradle. Oh,
Are you like, I see what you're trying to do, but are you able to get that, or is it just giving you problems right now?
I think with a little bit of time, I could get it. But like, yeah, that's like the basic idea of what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to like combine your idea with um, the organic chair,
Yeah.
and can, well, yours and Emerson's idea, because Emerson's would be the wooden feeding, and I'm
Yeah.
just going to shrink it down and then create. Um, the thing I'm having the issue with is implementing cadence design where it's like
Yeah. Definitely.
the domed chair. I mean, with a little bit of time, I could get that, but right now it's just being annoying. I haven't used the software in a couple of years either, so there's that as well.
We
But
def
like that would be the basic idea.
Oh wait,
Uh,
that bigger looks a lot better.
yeah, but also it just looks terrible.
But no, turn it to where the inside's facing like the left of the screen. I feel like it would look pretty solid.
If you right click, you can adjust your plane. Right click and drag.
Oh, there we go. That actually
Yeah.
looks pretty solid.
Yeah, but like that's kind of the idea that I'm trying to go with right now. I don't know what that cylinder is doing out there.
I don't know. That cylinder's gone. I think that's actually like pretty solid if we just maybe put either a table in front of it, or I feel like making that little handheld desk would be a little bit tough on this.
Yeah,
So
because I wasn't trying to do my own thing or mine. I was trying to do your guys', really.
Yeah, I like it.
I don't know if they have a table pre-made on here or not. Oh, that cylinder works perfectly.
Yeah, that does.
Well,
I'll try and get the gray. Those. The brown, I mean. Little baby chairs or little baby trees next to the massive chair.
doesn't have to be to scale. It's all right.
Yeah, well, this grid is 1 millimeter.
Really?
Yeah, so like to scale this thing is really fucking small.
Yeah, we don't need to. We don't need to do that.
Yeah,
Like-
we don't need to actually print it. We can go to Maker Lab and print it in the library. Right, Hayden?
Is that little cube gonna be the table or what? Oh wait, you're making a little handheld desk. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Oh yeah, like the
Yeah.
swerving ones. Yeah,
Sweet.
just as functional as the ones at school.
Hopefully more functional. Those at school suck.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that looks pretty solid. What about you guys?
Yeah, is there anything else?
No, I think that's about it. Like we can just joke around with it, put a laptop on it or something.
There are pre-made laptops and water bottles and stuff.
Yeah. It's pre-made propellers too. That's
Ooh,
weird.
but I mean, yeah, I think we're set there. We'll just we'll text in the Spaces team to figure out how we're gonna do that final group video and piece it all together.
Okay,
But
when's that one due?
that final group video is due October 5th.
Okay, so it's not as bad.
Yeah, we got a week or so, like a couple weeks, but it's a max time limit of 3 minutes, and we have to kind of like clip from our Zoom meeting right now to show how we developed that sketch. And then we also have to like put in assignments and discussions from our class, and then a screenshot of our final group seating area design and a credit slide at the end. And then there's just another little 200-word summary that'll go with it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we'll either meet again on Zoom or just kind of talk as we work on it. I don't think it'll be horrible.
Okay.
Yeah,
that
it
was
shouldn't be too bad.
For this, do we have anything to turn in? Is there another discussion?
No, there's no discussion or anything with this one. I'm just going to upload it to YouTube again, and then I'll turn in that link and that'll be set. You guys all got graded for that last one, right?
I think so. I haven't checked.
Okay, it should be in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, I will end this recording and then get it uploaded to YouTube, and then I'll just send it in the chat again once it's uploaded.
All right, I'll install this file just in case
Cool.
something happens.
I'm gonna stop recording now though. Okay.
All right.